I want to replace the white exterior door of KitchenAid dishwasher model Cuddle 03 IV3 with a stainless steel exterior door. Where can I buy a stainless steel door?
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. There are a couple things you need to convert it to stainless steel, including the door and the control panel. Below is a link to each part you need to order. If there is anything else I can help you with today, just let me know. You can continue asking questions for as long as you like, even after you rate me. Click the Continue Conversation link if you would like to continue this conversation. If you are done and rate a 1 or 2 star, please consider using the Continue Conversation link and telling me what more I can do or what more you would have liked that was within my power, so that I possibly give you that information or help me improve my customer satisfaction rating.
This door panel is not a KitchenAid door panel. Are you saying it will still fit my KitchenAid dishwasher model?
No, I'm saying that it is a KitchenAid door panel. Look at the logo at the bottom of the door. It says KitchenAid. If you see the description as Whirlpool, that is because Whirlpool owns KitchenAid.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.